Ever felt like your online business was missing a crucial piece of the puzzle? Like you're sailing a ship with a map that only shows half the route? You've got the product ideas, the website's looking sharp, maybe even some initial sales rolling in. But sourcing reliable suppliers? That's where things get tricky, especially if you're targeting a specific market like, say, the UK. You've heard whispers about SaleHoo, a directory of suppliers, but the big question lingers. Does SaleHoo actually have UK suppliers? Or is it just another platform focused solely on the usual suspects in China and the US? Let's be honest. Finding the right suppliers is the backbone of any successful e-commerce venture. You need dependability, quality, and of course, competitive pricing. And if you're dealing with the UK market, you're navigating a unique landscape. You've got to consider things like Brexit implications, VAT regulations, and the specific consumer preferences of British shoppers. It's not as simple as just grabbing a product from a global marketplace and hoping for the best. You need suppliers who understand the UK market, who can deliver on time, and who offer products that resonate with your target audience. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of SaleHoo and its UK suppliers, let's take a quick step back and understand why finding the right suppliers is so crucial. Think about it. Your customer's experience starts with the product. If the product is subpar, or if it arrives late, or if there are issues with returns, that reflects directly on your brand. You're the one who's going to deal with the angry emails and the negative reviews. You're the one who's going to struggle to build trust with your customers. And in today's hyper-competitive online environment, trust is everything. A reliable supplier is your partner in building that trust. They're the ones who ensure that your customers get the products they expect, when they expect them. And let's not forget the logistical headaches that come with dealing with unreliable suppliers. Late shipments, damaged goods, communication breakdowns. These are all things that can eat into your profits and drain your energy. Imagine you're running a flash sale on a popular product, and your supplier suddenly informs you that they're experiencing delays. Or worse, they ship you a batch of defective items. These scenarios can quickly turn a promising opportunity into a logistical nightmare. That's why having access to a vetted directory of suppliers, like SaleHoo, can be a game changer. So, back to our original question. Does SaleHoo actually have UK suppliers? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But let's dig a little deeper. SaleHoo isn't just a list of names and contact details. It's a carefully curated directory that vets its suppliers to ensure they meet certain standards. They look at things like product quality, shipping reliability, and customer service. This vetting process is crucial because it saves you the time and effort of sifting through countless unreliable suppliers. You're essentially getting a shortcut to finding trustworthy partners. Now, when you're looking for UK suppliers on SaleHoo, you'll find a diverse range of options. You'll find dropshippers who can handle the fulfillment process for you, meaning you don't have to worry about storing inventory or shipping products yourself. You'll also find wholesalers who can offer you bulk discounts, which can significantly boost your profit margins. And you'll find manufacturers who can produce custom products to your specifications. This variety of options allows you to find the perfect supplier for your specific business needs. One of the key advantages of using SaleHoo to find UK suppliers is the ease of communication. Dealing with suppliers in your own country can be a huge benefit. You're dealing with the same time zones, the same language, and the same cultural norms. This makes communication much smoother and reduces the risk of misunderstandings. You're also dealing with suppliers who understand the UK market, which can be invaluable when it comes to product selection and marketing. Another important aspect to consider is shipping. Dealing with UK suppliers means faster shipping times for your customers. You're not dealing with long international shipping delays or customs clearance issues. This can be a significant advantage, especially in today's fast-paced e-commerce environment where customers expect quick delivery. Faster shipping times can lead to happier customers, repeat business, and positive reviews. Now, let's talk about the specific types of UK suppliers you can find on SaleHoo. You'll find suppliers in a wide range of niches, from clothing and accessories to home goods and electronics. You'll find suppliers who specialize in specific product categories, such as eco-friendly products or handmade goods. This diversity of options allows you to find suppliers who align with your specific niche and target audience. For example, If you're selling handmade jewelry, you can find UK suppliers who specialize in crafting unique and high-quality pieces. If you're selling eco-friendly home goods, you can find UK suppliers who are committed to sustainable practices. And if you're selling electronics, you can find UK suppliers who offer competitive prices and reliable shipping. SaleHoo provides the tools to filter and pinpoint the exact supplier you are searching for. But it's not just about finding suppliers. SaleHoo also provides valuable resources and training to help you succeed in your e-commerce venture. They offer training videos, articles, and a community forum where you can connect with other sellers and get advice from experts. This support system can be invaluable, especially if you're new to e-commerce. They have a market research tool, a profit calculator, and even a seller training section. This is so much more than a directory. It is a resource hub. Now, some of you might be wondering about the cost of using SaleHoo. Is it worth the investment? The answer depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're serious about building a successful e-commerce business, then having access to a vetted directory of suppliers can be a game changer. It can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. And the resources and training that SaleHoo provides can help you accelerate your learning curve and avoid costly mistakes. It is worth considering the cost of not having a reliable supplier and the cost of the time you will save. Time is money, and SaleHoo is designed to save you both. So, to summarize, SaleHoo does indeed have UK suppliers, and they offer a diverse range of options to meet your specific business needs. They also provide valuable resources and training to help you succeed in your e-commerce venture. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to find UK suppliers, SaleHoo is definitely worth considering. It's a powerful tool that can help you build a thriving online business. But remember, any directory is a tool. You still need to do your due diligence, communicate clearly with your suppliers, and build strong relationships. SaleHoo provides the foundation, but you build the house. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.